There are nice buildings in Kosovo. There are lots of nice residential buildings, right? But there's not a complex of 8 very nice buildings put together. So when we started looking at this project, the site is very dramatic. It's a ravine, it's a hill, it's a, with vistas in every direction, mountains on all sides. So we tried to create a complex of towers that everybody had a unique view. The apartments are unique. They have double exposure, so all of the apartments are corner apartment. In the center, there's this beautiful courtyard with green space and communal space. We took advantage of this site, so tucked under the hill, tucked under these buildings, you have parking, you have other uses like supermarket and kindergarten and things that will enliven the community and make the project real, almost like a little village into itself. So viva la International Residence.